Hello, good morning. It's morning here, and this is Manang Mimi, and it's sleeting. There's still snow on the ground, and as usual, I have to put my dog outside. And see you in a little bit. My boy is calling in there. This morning, I will going to show it to you how to make a homemade dog toy. We have a dog, and she's an outdoor dog. We tried to put her inside, but she used to stay outside because she's a Labrador and she likes to go around outside the house. So here it is, pretty quick. I'm gonna show it to you right here. The material is just a piece of square piece of fabric. I use the fleece in an empty bottle, or you can use the water bottle and the scissor. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put something inside that it makes a squeaky or noise inside. So next thing is gonna put this bottle that I recycle and roll it like that. See? And then you cut it. If you want to cut it when well open, you can do it too. Make it quick. You fold it. And then open this one afterwards. After you cut it, open it. There.
Wait, what are you making?
There. Put it in the middle and then roll it over.
What are you making?
Making our dog toy.
Oh.
Like that. And then tie all of this. And it doesn't matter as long as it's all tight and secure, so the dog gonna get into the bottle. Okay, we're gonna do this and I'll show it to you afterwards. Okay, that's how it looks, and I'm gonna tie it pretty good, and then that's it. Okay, you can double it. There it is, it's done. Just give this to Asia. This project, you can use a t-shirt because I tried it already. I used t-shirt or fleece, and it works fine. Okay, I'm gonna give it to our dog. That's Asia. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Just want to shout out my friends or my followers. Christy Hall. Hi there. Jane Spite. How are you? Salamat for watching and for following. Nelski. Salamat. Shout out again to Maribel nga moment. Ugsayahang kauban diha. Bitaw. Sige. Kung gusto mo magpa-shout out, if you want me to shout out your name or channel, just leave a comment, hashtag #shoutoutmimi. And thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the bell so you will be notified if I have a video. And also, if you are new to my channel, this channel is talking about gardening, baking, crafting, or DIY, or diaries, or many stuff, tutorial, or many more activities. Thank you. Bye-bye.